Penny Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. This is the Penny Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience, and I've added links to products in the description below. Let's get straight to it. Penny was a popular personal finance app that stood out because of its chat-based interface, where users could interact with the app like texting a financial assistant. It was designed to simplify budgeting for people who found traditional spreadsheets and financial apps overwhelming. However, Penny is no longer available as an independent app because it was acquired by Credit Karma. While you can't download Penny today, its legacy lives on in some of the financial insights tools within Credit Karma's app. When it was active, Penny connected to your bank accounts and automatically categorized your transactions. The app would then send you messages about your spending habits, upcoming bills, and how much money you had left to spend for the month. This conversational format made it incredibly beginner-friendly, especially for people who wanted to track finances without digging through graphs and manual reports. Penny was made for casual users who didn't need advanced budgeting tools, but wanted a quick, friendly way to stay on top of their money. It was especially useful for young adults, students, or anyone looking to build better money awareness without diving into complex financial planning. Key features included spending summaries, category tracking, and simple progress reports on how much you spent compared to previous months. However, because of its simplicity, it lacked features like goal setting, customizable budget categories, or long-term financial planning. Advanced users would likely find Penny too basic, but for everyday spending awareness, it worked well. Since Penny no longer exists as a standalone app, I recommend exploring alternatives like Copilot, Clio, or even the tools inside Credit Karma, which now offer some similar spending insights. The bottom line, Penny was a great entry-level budgeting assistant, but if you're serious about detailed budgeting or financial goal tracking, you'll need something more robust. Links to recommended alternatives are in the description. If you were curious about Penny, now you know what it offered and why it disappeared, so you can choose the right modern app that fits your budgeting needs.